Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Home Assistant to IKEA Smart Lighting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have your IKEA Smart Lighting devices ready and within range. Open your Home Assistant dashboard on a web browser. Log into your Home Assistant account if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the Configuration tab on the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to view your current integrations. In the top right corner, click on the plus Add Integration button. Search for IKEA TRA with Ring Above DFRI in the integration list. Select the IKEA TRA with Ring Above DFRI integration from the search results. You will need the security code located on your IKEA gateway. If you don't have the gateway yet, consider purchasing it to connect your devices. Once you enter the security code, click Submit. Home Assistant will now attempt to connect to your IKEA gateway. Wait for the integration to establish a connection. Once connected, your IKEA smart lighting devices will be discovered. Review the list of devices found by Home Assistant. Select the devices you'd like to add, and click Finish. Your IKEA, you can control them from your dashboard or automate their functions. To test your setup, try turning the lights on or off through Home Assistant. Explore the automation options to customize your smart lighting experience. Congratulations! You have successfully authenticated your IKEA smart lighting with Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.